Generally, the Revolabs Flex conference phone ships to you prepared. You just have to unpack it and plug it in to work. However, there might be reasons why pairing will be required. For example, you may have bought additional microphones or one of the components broke or was lost and you had to replace it. This video will walk you through pairing components to the Flex base station. Pairing starts with the handset. If you do not have a paired handset, this is the first step you have to do before you can manage any other component of your Flex. If the handset you want to pair to your base is currently powered on, switch it off by pressing the red button and holding it down until the shutdown handset message appears. Press yes to switch off the handset. If you currently have a handset paired to the base, switch that handset off as well. Next, switch the handset you want to pair to the base back on. Once on, it will show a message, scanning for paired base. Press stop, then enter the menu, select Advanced, and Repair. Confirm to scan for a new base. The screen will show a message, scanning for new base. Once a base is found, it will ask, pair with base flex underscore and a number. The number is the last 6 digits of your BT number on the bottom of your base station. Select yes to pair to this base. You will see a message on the screen. Once complete, the handset comes up paired and ready to work with this base station. If the pairing of the handset times out, power off the handset by holding down the red key. Unplug your base station. Wait a few seconds before plugging it in again. Now try again to repair the handset to the base. If it still does not work, contact Revolabs support. Pairing a microphone to your system. First, shut the microphone down by pressing and holding the button on the microphone. Once the LED turns a constant red, you can release the button. The microphone will turn off. On your dialer, enter the menu. Select Setup, then Advanced Setup, and type in the admin password. The factory preset password is 7386. However, you or your system administrator might have changed the password. Once you enter the Advanced Setup selection, choose Pairing. Let's have a quick look into the device pairing screen on your handset. SPK1 means your speaker. MIC1 is your first microphone. MIC2, your second microphone, and so on. Behind MIC1 and the other microphones, there is a single letter indicating the type of microphone it is. O stands for omnidirectional, W for wearable, and D for a directional microphone. The last entry in each of these lines shows the status of the component. Linked means that this component is currently active and talking to the base station. Paired means that the base station has been linked to a component, but this component is currently switched off or out of range. If there is no entry, this means that the base station is not linked to any component on that channel. In the menu, highlight the microphone you want to pair and press the Pair button. Next, press the microphone button and hold it until the LED turns red. On the handset screen, you will see a pairing mic message. Once the pairing was done successfully, the screen will show the mic type, and the message linked on your dialer screen. The LED on the microphone will blink either green if unmuted or red if muted. If you run into pairing timeouts, reboot the base station by unplugging the power. Wait a few seconds and plug it back in. Once the base station is up, try the previous steps again to pair the microphone. Lastly, let's pair a speaker to the base station. First, if the speaker is on, switch it off by holding down the button on the bottom of the speaker until the LEDs turn constant red. Next, on the handset, enter the pairing menu. Select the speaker entry and press the Pair button. Pairing will only work if there isn't another speaker paired to the system. Get the speaker into pairing mode by pressing the button on the bottom again and holding it until the LEDs on the speaker turn constant red. The speaker is now in pairing mode. Your handset will display a pairing speaker message on the screen of the dialer. Once the pairing was done successfully, the screen will show the word linked on your dialer screen behind the speaker. The LED on the speaker will blink either green or red based on the mute status of the microphones. If you run into pairing timeouts, reboot the base station by unplugging the power, waiting a few seconds, and plugging it back in. Once the base station is up again, try the previous steps again to pair the speaker. Congratulations, you have successfully paired your FLX system and can immediately start making conference calls or use it as the audio output for your video and Bluetooth calls. This completes our review of the pairing functionality of the Revo Labs FLX conference phone. We hope you found this video helpful for setting up and managing your FLX conference phone. Enjoy.